In this video, you'll learn how to remove your card from ElevenLabs. This process involves navigating through your account settings and managing your payment methods effectively. Begin by opening a web browser and going to elevenlabs.io. Once the page is fully loaded, look for the option to log into your account. Click on Login and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select either billing or subscription to access your payment settings. Within the billing or subscription section, locate the area labeled payment methods or cards. This section displays all the cards currently associated with your account. Identify the card you wish to remove and look for the option labeled Remove or Delete next to it. Click this option to initiate the removal process. It is important to note that if you have an active paid subscription, some cards may not be removable. In such cases, you will need to cancel your subscription first before proceeding with the removal of the card. Ensure that you verify your subscription status before attempting to remove any payment methods. Once you click Remove or Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear to verify your decision. Confirm the removal by following the on-screen instructions. After completing this step, your card will be deleted from your account. If you encounter any issues or are unable to remove your card, you can contact ElevenLabs support for assistance. To do this, visit their support page and submit a request stating, "Please remove my payment card from my account." My email is yourmail@example.com. Support will assist with the manual removal if necessary. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.